I'll be there to lift you from the ground. Don't be afraid, just let me in. Tuck me in down, I'll do the same.
For me? Hold on. What's your name?
I don't know.
What's your name?
Dana.
Your name's not Dana. Get your fingers out of your mouth. Oh man, Hannah.
I'm going to you.
Okay.
Okay, you're going to. How you doing? And
Hi everybody, it's Marquita.
And Gary.
Hannah.
Are you doing it, Van? Please turn it down.
Okay.
Here, just use my headphones. And we are here to do
Boom
This
chicka
one
pop.
is two
candy
liquor
corn.
balls.
here, get the
Telephone.
headphones. Headphones.
This side is going to hurt my ear.
Just use this
use it.
side. Look, I got a new book. I am looking currently for like a little, see, it's just a clear book. I am looking for a refillable, binder. Is that what it's called? Oh, this is what it looks like. Oh, they're sticky.
Well, it's a kettle corn.
I know. Well, I thought they were going to be like hard coated. Okay.
Hey,
This is what it looks like.
And mine is big than this.
Mhm.
It has cream.
Mhm.
And it actually has teeth.
Yeah.
I can eat all of them.
Don't touch candy corn.
I don't either.
It's
Give
just
me
sweet.
just a little bit. This one got a lot of cheese on it. Look like
Orange.
a lot of orange.
Mine look like orange.
It's supposed to taste like candy corn.
Like a chicken.
No, I don't get it.
Mm-mm. I don't taste kettle corn. I don't taste candy corn.
I don't either. Not at all.
Tastes like
I mean,
a
Okay,
soft frosting. Like not even like a cookie.
that's not like a kettle corn, which is usually
Yeah.
crispy.
Mm-mm.
It's just, I don't know.
I don't know.
I eat them, but they're not that special.
Yeah.
I give them, because it's supposed to be candy corn, I give them a 3.
Me too. I give them a 3.
Yeah.
I mean,
What about you, Hannah?
they're edible. I have to give them a 6. But
3.
A 3.
Yep.
They're nothing special. There's Hannah, stop. There none that I will go out of my way to buy.
I'm watching this kind of gummy bear.
okay.
I always like this gummy bear.
Anyhow, hopefully y'all like this video. Yes, it's a very, very short video.
Yeah.
I do apologize.
If you see them, try them. See if you like them. If so, comment
And
below. Let us know what you
taste
think
the
about them.
purple ones
I guess that is all. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.